This little guy, he's like almost gonna play with us, but then he's still kind of scared of me. Like he'll play with Floofy a little bit, but then run away and come back. Come on, man, make up your mind. You gonna play with us or what? Okay, where did Big Bro go? All right, I think I know. I have an idea. There's somebody in the bush. He likes to hide in this bush and surprise me. Fluffy. Hmm, okay, guess we'll find out. He's gotta be inside this bush. There he is. Silly boy. Silly boy. That's cute. Okay. Bye.